Hello Lux family, it's Jay here with another video. Today we got a review. Well, it's kind of like an unboxing, only because I haven't shown the Lux family these trainers before. So it's going to be an unrealistic unboxing for you lot. Cause honey, my coin is locked away, my life is on hold, and I'm trapped in the house. Why is saving got to be so difficult? All I want to do is spend, but I must stay strong and I must carry on saving. We got an unboxing to do and a review today. Yes, it's the LV plastic sneakers. I call them the plastic sneakers because Louis Vuitton decided they wanted to call all of their trainers LV sneakers and make life a bit more difficult than it already is. Anyway, let's get down to unboxing these sexy LV sneakers. Just a quick note, remember to subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below. It means so much to me when you do that. Check out all my other videos. If you're enjoying this video, then I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy the rest of my videos that I've been making. Don't forget to check out my Instagram where I update weekly on there as well and I stay really active. So here we have it, the LV sneakers, and as I call them, the LV plastic sneakers. Once again, inside the box you get the receipt, a gift card, a returns if you did order online, and also an extra pair of shoelaces. I won't bore you to death with that. You mostly get all of that stuff with every single pair of trainers that you buy. So if you don't, then maybe question it and let the SA know that you need an extra pair of laces if you need them. These are the holy grail sneakers that they were sought after, a lot of people wanted, and I managed to get my hands onto. So like always, I'm going to give you a 360 of the trainer itself and what it looks like and a little bit of the details on the trainers. As you can see here, it's got the floral print, it's got Louis Vuitton just over here, and you've got the floral just all etched in over here. You've got little holes here that help evaporate any steam that may occur when you're wearing these trainers. This is the front of the sneaker. You've got LV inside and you've got the white laces which you can probably change to any colour that you want. The front as well is really nice. Over the front here is kind of soft just because it'll end up bending a bit more, and then that is the other side, literally the same. This is the underneath of the sneaker itself. It's got Vuitton. It's actually got a good grip on it, so I'm not sure this will be slippery at all. That is the back of the sneaker. So at the back here is all padded so you're not hurting your feet. Just to let everyone know that the date holding is just over here at the bottom of the tongue, and these are made in Italy. So these trainers are quite hard to record, as I was showing you lot before I turned the contrast all the way down because they weren't showing. So I'm going to add in a few extra pictures of the trainers themselves. In these trainers, I got a size 9. LV does recommend to go up a size. However, I am at 8.5 originally and only went up half a size. I did find out that a lot of LV trainers, they vary from size to size. With my denim sneakers, I had to size down a pair because they were way too big, a size 9. So I went with a size 8 and they fit perfectly well. With the LV trainers, I would say to go in store and try and buy them. That'll be your best bet. Then you can judge which size is right for you. With these trainers, I paid £750. This was part of Virgil's collection, so unfortunately they're not available anymore. They were only a seasonal piece. Before moving on, I just want to speak about a few of the cons that I have with these trainers. At the front here, it is very soft the material, but I feel like when you're walking, it's gonna, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but this bit here is gonna bend in. I feel like it's gonna end up cracking just over here. So believe me, I'm not running for anyone or anything when I have these trainers on. I'll be walking and taking my time. Buying these trainers, just know that they are gonna fog up and there's no way to stop that, only because the inside of the trainer is gonna be hot and the outside climate is gonna be a different temperature, creating condensation inside of the trainer. I wanna show the Lux family something I really love on these pair of trainers is the fact that when you look at them from a different view, you can actually see some purple going on in there. So when you actually wear these with maybe white socks or different color, when the light shines on it, you can see a lovely purple. I'll get that for you there. That looks, you can see it looks amazing. It's really nice. the way they've done that, and that's one thing that I really liked about these trainers. I also want to add that these trainers are really comfortable. I've been wearing my denim ones lately and I've been finding them so comfortable. It's like walking on a cloud. I had these ones on for a little while and I've been walking around the house and I'm finding them basically the same as the denim ones, just really comfortable even though they are made out of plastic. The padding inside is really nice and soft. That brings me to the mod shots that I've done earlier for you lot to show you basically what it looks like wearing them. So once again, I hope you really did like the live mod shots of me wearing the trainers themselves. I just wanted to touch on the subject of what I would wear these trainers with. I do feel like they don't go with everything, so you have to kind of wear them with certain clothes. In the video, I was wearing them with light coloured chinos, as I do feel like that will probably be the best match. If you're into skinny jeans, then they'll work really well with them, and also relaxed fit jeans as well. And that's something that I feel like will bother me quite a lot if I'm wearing them, whether or not the colour transfer will go onto my trainer or not. If you love wearing joggers, I mean, by all means, people do love wearing joggers out these days. They do go with it, but personally, like joggers and suit trousers will definitely not go with these sort of trainers. Personally, like with me, definitely trousers will not go with them at all. So unless you're one of them people who can pull it off, like for me it's a no. So like I did say before, what really will go with these trainers are relaxed fit jeans, skinny jeans, chinos, and some types of joggers, not all. Which brings me on to socks. Now with these trainers, the amount of socks that you can wear with them are crazy. In the video before, I am wearing a purple pair of socks, but there's like a multitude of what colour socks you can wear with these. I actually shop at Uniqlo for my socks, and believe me, they have over like 50 different colours of socks. So I've seen some Instagrammers wear these trainers with multi-dye coloured socks and they look crazy. Without rambling on too much, I just wanted to say to my Lux family, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. It's literally free and easy to do. Comment down below and like my videos. Until then, stay safe. Peace.